Hi guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alright guys, so if you're new here, you are welcome. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you a remedy that would work for you while sleeping. It's going to help you to get rid of all of those belly fats while you sleep. Okay, so it's actually very simple. It's something that you basically or definitely know already. Mixing all of this together is wonderful. So let's dive into the video. Don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe and share, and I'll see you soon in my next video. To burn belly fat, guys, we're gonna be needing to use pineapple. And pineapple is very good for the body metabolics. It's good to lower weight loss, and it also helps to remove belly fat. So we're gonna be using half cut of this pineapple. Removing the peel. So I'm actually going to be cutting in the pineapple into this bowl. So now we'll have to be washing it. Then we'll have to be cutting it in little pieces. Transferring it into a blender. We're also going to be needing lemon. Lemon is great for weight loss. It fights and removes belly fat, and it also cleanses the colon. It depending on how much you want your lemon, but for this particular one I will just be putting half cut of this lemon. I'll be squeezing that into the blender. And your lemon has to have some seed. If your lemon is seedless, that means it's not organic. Okay, you should use an organic lemon so it will work really fine. And then we're going to be needing ginger. Now ginger helps to fight cold. It helps to fight nauseousness. It's good for catarrh, and it's good to flush out toxins in the body, and it's perfect for weight loss. So we're going to be needing just a little piece of that. And then we would have to be scraping that, removing the peel. We're going to be washing that off. Now we would have to be cutting it in little tiny pieces. We also have to be putting that into the blender. And the last thing we're going to be needing will be garlic. Now garlic is perfect for cold, cough and catarrh. It helps for weight loss alongside with other natural remedy, and it will also help to rejuvenate and makes your body look really slim. So we're going to be putting just a few of the Alright, so this is ready, and we'll also have to be washing it, okay? So we'll have to cut that in little pieces. We're also going to be putting that into the blender. Gonna be putting in a little bit of water, and then we're going to blend it, and I'll be right back. So here is the belly fat reduction remedy, and yes guys, you're going to be putting that directly into a cup, and this is it. Drink this every day because it's ideal. Drink this every day, you're going to have a good health. Your colon is going to also always be clean, and your belly fat will be gone. But of course, when drinking this, you have to avoid taking fatty foods and some junk food, okay? And by so doing, you are going to be loving your results. This is actually friendly enough. Let me have a taste and tell you how it does taste. It tastes nice. It tastes a little pepperish because of the ginger, obviously, but it is nice, and it's friendly in the mouth and also in the sides. Soda, and you're going to be loving your results. So that's it guys. Take this. You can also take it in the morning and also take it in the night, and this is actually going to be helpful, really helpful for you, and it's going to wash you down and get rid of all of those belly fats, and you are going to be loving it. So that's it. If you did enjoy watching the video, don't forget to thumbs up and share, and I'll see you soon in my next video. Bye guys.